This camera sees in complete darkness. It recognizes a face from 30 meters.
Hikvision is the world's largest CCTV manufacturer, shipping over 100 million cameras annually.
The facility that produces the world's most deployed surveillance technology spans over 1.4 million square meters.
Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you inside Hikvision's manufacturing complex, where image sensors, precision optics.
Ming has assembled cameras that watch over airports, hospitals, and public spaces across 150 countries. Ming sees Hikvision cameras everywhere now, on poles, in lobbies, above entrances. She does not see the camera.
Her mother lives alone 400 kilometers away. Her brother installed a Hikvision camera so the family can check on her every day. Shift starts. Somewhere on this floor, a Hikvision camera that will watch over a hospital, a school, or a family's front door begins its journey.
Before a single Hikvision camera captures an image, its components have crossed a dozen countries, each one selected for the performance. The image sensor is the camera's eye, converting light into digital signals. Hikvision sources sensors from Sony and Samsung.
Hikvision's varifocal lenses are ground from optical glass to tolerances measured in nanometers. A lens.
Hikvision's infrared illuminators use IR LEDs bend to matching power and wavelength, ensuring even illumination.
Hikvision designs its own DeepInMind AI chips, silicon that runs face recognition, object detection, and behavioral analysis.
The camera housing must survive a decade of outdoor exposure, UV radiation, rain, dust, and temperature extremes.
Hikvision sensor specifications define performance at extreme low light, sensitivity levels that most camera manufacturers do not.
Hikvision's camera PCBs carry the complete processing pipeline, from raw sensor data to compressed 216.
Every image sensor arriving at Hikvision is tested for pixel defect count and dark current.
And here, Wes, with an image sensor whose pixel pitch is smaller than a bacterium pares, the production of a... The alignment looks solid across the field.
Confirmed. We are well within tolerance.
The uniformity grid is showing some aberration here in the lower left quadrant.
I see that. Check the illumination levels again.
Somewhere behind that door, Hikvision's next generation of AI vision is being trained. The current generation identifies faces at 30.
Before going further, we signed a legal agreement. Hikvision's AI vision algorithms and the specific... Hikvision trains its DeepInMind vision models on one of the largest video training datasets in the industry.
Hikvision's optical characterization chamber tests cameras under 47 different illumination and angular conditions, building a complete optical performance map. Hikvision evaluates every major competitor camera on the same test bench image quality, low light sensitivity.
Hikvision's first camera in 2001 captured analog video at 4 CIF resolution. Today's cameras
Every Hikvision camera boots from cryptographically signed firmware, a secure boot chain that prevents the firmware modification attacks.
We were told this laboratory integrates Hikvision cameras into enterprise-scale video management platforms, systems managing this.
Hikvision's lens optical designs represent 15 years of iterative optical engineering. The specific element
The MTF distribution here is unacceptable. We have a degradation on Assembly Station 7 that needs immediate attention.
The correlation between assembly quality and low light performance is quite clear.
And the minimum illumination levels
The moisture is clearly penetrating the lens assembly right here.
We're seeing the same pattern on the tablet data.
These wind false positives are still too frequent.
If we implement the temporal filtering, it should stabilize the motion detection.
The vulnerability assessment is complete. We are initiating the secure patch deployment now.
All systems updated and secure.
The Hikvision network now spans the globe, with high-density coverage in major urban areas across 150 countries.
Enhance camera 4. Zoom in on the figure by the crates.
Running facial recognition now.
That's him. Capture that image.
We need to finalize the schematic by Thursday.
The new design improves efficiency by nearly 15%.
ตั้งแต่มีนองกับถึงทานดานทานใช้องค์บัตรไม่ทิ้งทานเหมือนทานนั่งทานทีนี้บันเก่นทานคือ
From extensive solar arrays on our Hangzhou campus to energy-efficient production, sustainability is built into everything we do. With powerful local AI processing and advanced privacy masking, all footage is secured through robust, encrypted storage.
With these new cybersecurity protocols, the system integrity is guaranteed.
Excellent work. This sets the new standard.
Sector 4, the water level is rising faster than projected. We have confirmed structural instability at the main support. Evacuate immediately.
Hi, Mom. Hi, brother. I just wanted to check in quickly. We're doing great, sweetie. We miss you too.
Look at the robots go. They don't need a dinner break.
Good thing we're not robots then. Pass the chili sauce.
Yeah, 500 million. Great job.
The 2020 delamination event highlighted a critical gap. Our investigation led to this enhanced incoming test.
So it's fully resolved?
Yes, permanently.
Someone will depend on them in the dark, in the rain, for 10 years. The alignment you just verified is why they will work.